Hey guys, I'm Christy with WTI. Do you know what has drove me crazy for far too long? Disorganized cables and wires. I finally found a great solution though. These are cable ties from Rapid Storage. This is such a simple concept, but yet genius all at the same time. These are simply Velcro strips. It comes in a pack of 40. You have 20 that are 8 inches long and 20 that are 5 inches long. So all you do is you wrap your cord up and then you take this Velcro strip and you secure it so it doesn't come loose. The Velcro too is super strong. You don't have to worry about your cords coming undone. It's not gonna happen. What's great about this is even if you throw your wires in a drawer or like I have some just in this little bin, you can pile them on top of each other and they're not gonna get intertwined and tangled amongst each other. So you can quickly pull out and sift through and find exactly what you need. Sometimes you don't even need to unwrap the cord to use it. So you can keep it neatly wrapped, like cords for charging devices, things like that. We just leave them wrapped and then throw them back in the bin. These aren't just good for organizing though. We have a floor lamp in our living room and I wound the cord up and used one of these so it's up and out of the way of the vacuum. My son also has a TV in his bedroom and he had different cords hanging from the back of his TV. So I cinched them together in the back just to give it a cleaner look. Honestly, I think every single household could use these. I know you have just as many chargers and headphones tangled up in a drawer like I did. So get some more organization in your life. It'll make you so happy. But that's just my point of view.